Hello everyone, Aprilia has launched the new Aprilia RSV4 X EC3MA, a race-specific motorcycle inspired by the RSGP riders currently racing in MotoGP. The Aprilia RSV4 X EC3MA is the most advanced machine ever created, taking data from the real RSGP races of the Aprilia Racing Team in MotoGP and adapting it to a commercial product featuring patented winglets. The EC3MA is the first mass production motorcycle with the most complete basic equipment and package, which doubles the lateral force compared to the previous X model. The stepped fairing and the cornering wings are innovations introduced by Aprilia for the first time in MotoGP. The front wing, a true MotoGP design, is 550 mm wide and generates 5 times more downforce than the X Trenta, which already surpasses other brands' race bikes, resulting in incredible acceleration. A major advancement lies behind this aggressive look. The renowned APX Racing ECU has been significantly improved to increase efficiency and ease of use. Many components, both visible and hidden, are new or have been optimized to save weight. This bike is undoubtedly the closest thing to a modern MotoGP bike. The Aprilia RSV4 X EC3MA will be powered by a 1,099 cubic centimeter V4 engine that has been tuned by engine specialists Aprilia Racing to deliver the ultimate track experience. It produces 230 bhp and 96.6 Nm of torque. Equipped with a comprehensive electronics package, the bike also has a high level of customization and can be connected to a computer system for further tuning. The bike is equipped with race-specific equipment such as Öhlins front and rear shock absorbers with specific settings, a Brembo brake system with a 19/16 radial pump at the front and GP4 MS calipers, Z04 racing brake pads, and 330mm T-drive brake discs. There are also carbon fiber rims and Pirelli tires, the same grade as those used in the World's BK program, fitted from the factory. As this bike will be a racing product, it will not be rideable on public roads. This motorbike is also only produced in 30 units and has a high selling price of €80,000.